Okay, let's get you the sports news now. And some stories are meant to inspire. Some journeys redefine possibilities. This is one of them. Meet Payal Nag, who's a young girl from Odisha. She's lost both her hands in a tragic accident, but life couldn't stop her, and she's not refused to stop. In fact, she's India's rising para archery star. Here's DD India correspondent Narayan Singh with this report.
She was once known for drawing faces. Today she draws her bowstring. Meet Payal Nag, the world's only archer without hands and feet. She was discovered in an orphanage in Odisha. In her very first competition, she became the national champion.
मेरे पास कुछ डिवाइस नहीं था उस टाइम, तो सर ने ही खुद अपने हाथों से बनाए हैं डिवाइस जो कि मैं चलाती हूँ। तो मैं पहले 2 पैर से चलाती थी, अब 1 पैर से चलाती हूँ। सर ट्रेनिंग ना देते तो मैं नेशनल मेडल भी नहीं ले सकती थी। सर के ट्रेनिंग के वजह से ही मैं नेशनल मेडल भी ले चुकी हूँ, आज खेलो इंडिया तक भी पहुँच चुकी हूँ। तो खेलो इंडिया में भी बहुत अच्छा रहा, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे खेल के।
Payal's journey began in Balangir, Odisha. She lost her hands and feet in an accident at the age of 5. Life was tough, but the fate had other plans. Her coach Kuldeep Vedwan brought her to Jammu and he designed a special device for her.
She is the first archer in the world who don't have a forelimb. When she went the first competition in Jaipur, January, so there she won 2 gold. I'm very happy on that day because my 2 students, the Sheetal Devi and Payal Nag, they was on podium. The Payal Nag and Sheetal Devi, they are playing for gold medal. And there, the Payal Nag won gold medal. So that is the historical medal.
This year in January, she defeated Paralympic medalist Sheetal Devi to become the national champion. Payal lifts her bow with her foot. She pulls the string with her shoulder. She is rewriting the rules of para-archery. She is preparing for the world ranking tournament in Thailand. Her ultimate goal is 2028 Paralympics gold. The journey of Payal Nag is a story of determination and courage and the power of self-belief. Her journey from an orphanage in Odisha to the archery field in Jammu defied all odds and limitations placed before her. Without no legs and no hands, she could have given up, but she picked up a bow and aimed for greatness. This is just the beginning, and the world is watching her now. With camera person Kashyap, Narayan Singh, DD India, Delhi.